My manifesto takes the form of a hypothetical ethical city and is 3D printed using different coloured filaments mounted on a glass panel. This approach was chosen as the built-in-natural environment directly relates to architecture. As professionals, we sculpt and influence the world around us through physical interventions. The 5 tiles printed in white depict different neighbourhoods or land uses of my ethical city, with each principle corresponding to a specific tile. To see what each principle is, you simply lift the tile up and it reveals the principle underneath, with my reflective journal expanding on these with sub-principles. So my principles are as follows. Number 1 is tread lightly, and it relates to the preserving of the natural environment both now and into the future. The tile has a river running through the middle of it and is to reflect the importance of biological and natural functions that serve as the foundation for all life on Earth now and into the future. Principle 2 is introspection in the bottom right-hand corner. And this ties to my own internal expectations and personal virtues, such as integrity, transparency, and reliability. You can see here that this tile has been placed in a mountainous region to reflect isolation and self-reflection. Tile number 3 is service. And this has been placed in the bottom right-hand corner, which is the CBD of the ethical city. It is concerned with my loyalty to architecture and how I conduct myself personally. So these are some skyscrapers that have been printed off, which I've designed all these tiles myself. And yeah, it's located in the CBD, which represents which represents work life. Principle 4, which is community, which is in the center here, relates to advancing the common good and my responsibility as an architect to improve the quality of life for all. This tile represents a typical suburb with houses, parks, and a recreation centre. The roads converge into a community heart, and the tile has also been placed in the centre of the city, as you can see just here, to reinforce the importance of community spirit. Principle 5, which is the final principle in the top right-hand corner, is bond. It is here. And it relates to how I personally treat others, particularly those in the workplace. It recognises the importance of teamwork and that others' opinions, contributions and rights are as valuable as any other person. This tile has 4 roads in a grid pattern, representing strength and importance of bond with fellow co-workers and others. And as said before, you can actually see the principle printed underneath the tile, so when you lift it up it reveals it. I hope you like my ethical manifesto. I've enjoyed exploring what I value most in life and how I should conduct myself both personally and professionally. Thank you.